Imagine spending years building your dream business. You invest your savings, work late nights, hire employees, attract customers, and finally start making real money. Then one morning, you receive a legal notice. A customer is suing you. An employee claims wrongful termination. The IRS wants answers. A competitor says you copied their trademark. Within weeks, everything you've built is at risk. Now here's the shocking part. Many businesses don't fail because of bad products or poor marketing. They fail because they didn't understand business law. The good news? You don't need to become a lawyer to protect your business. You simply need to understand the basic legal rules every entrepreneur should know. And that's exactly what you'll learn in this video. Whether you're planning to start a business, already own one, or simply want to understand how companies operate legally, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand business law like a beginner-friendly course, and you'll know how successful businesses avoid costly legal mistakes. So grab a notebook, and let's begin. Chapter 1. What is business law? Business law is the collection of legal rules that govern how businesses operate. Think of it as the rulebook for every company. From opening a business to hiring employees. From signing contracts to paying taxes. From protecting your brand to resolving disputes. Business law affects every decision a business makes. Without these laws, businesses couldn't operate fairly or safely. Imagine buying a product online. How do you know you'll actually receive it? How do you know the company won't steal your money? The answer is business law. These laws create trust between businesses and customers. They also protect employees, investors, suppliers, and business owners. In simple words, business law keeps the business world organized. Chapter 2. Why business law matters. Many new entrepreneurs think, I'm too small to worry about legal issues. That's one of the biggest mistakes a business owner can make. Business law matters because one legal mistake can cost thousands, or even millions, of dollars. Let's imagine two coffee shops. Coffee shop follows all legal requirements. They register their business, pay taxes, use written contracts, protect their trademark, follow employment laws. Coffee shop B ignores these things. No contracts, no licenses, no trademark. Employees are paid incorrectly. One customer gets sick. A lawsuit begins. Suddenly, coffee shop B is facing huge legal bills. Their reputation is damaged. Customers stop coming. Meanwhile, coffee shop A continues growing because it built a strong legal foundation. The lesson is simple. Business law isn't just about avoiding lawsuits. It's about building a business that lasts. Chapter 3. Who needs to know business law? Many people believe business law is only for giant corporations like Apple, Amazon, or Google. That's completely false. Business law applies to everyone. Freelancers, small business owners, online sellers, YouTubers, influencers, Amazon FBA sellers, dropshippers, restaurant owners, real estate investors, even if you're selling handmade products from your home. Business law still affects you. Every time money changes hands, business law is involved. Every time you sign an agreement, business law matters. Every time you hire someone, business law matters. In today's world, every entrepreneur needs basic legal knowledge. Chapter 4. The main goals of business law. Business law exists for several important reasons. First, it creates fairness. Every business competes under the same rules. Second, it protects consumers. Companies cannot legally lie about products or services. Third, it protects workers. Employees have legal rights regarding wages, safety, and discrimination. Fourth, it protects business owners. Contracts ensure customers pay. Intellectual property laws protect ideas and brands. Finally, business law encourages economic growth. Investors are more willing to invest when legal protections exist. Without business law, businesses would struggle to build trust. Trust is the foundation of every successful economy. Chapter 5. Real-life example. Let's meet Sarah. Sarah loves baking. She starts selling homemade cookies online. At first, everything goes well. Orders increase every week. But Sarah ignores business law. She never registers her business. She doesn't collect sales tax. She copies another bakery's logo because she thinks it looks nice. One day, a customer claims they became sick after eating her cookies. Another business accuses Sarah of trademark infringement. The local government fines her for operating without proper licenses. Within months, her growing business is buried under legal problems. Now imagine another baker named Emily. Emily registers her business, gets permits, uses original branding, keeps written records, buys business insurance, uses proper contracts. When problems appear, Emily is protected. Same business, different legal choices, different results. Now you understand what business law is and why it's essential for every entrepreneur. But here's where things get even more interesting. Choosing the wrong business structure can put your personal money, home, and savings at risk. In the next part, we'll explore the different types of business structures, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and corporation, and learn how successful entrepreneurs choose the right one. So stay tuned, because understanding this single decision could save you thousands of dollars in the future.